important, very, very important. I can't stress this. Very, very important travel essential you need to have.
I don't know what you did to me. Your body like weight.
Is a safety door lock, guys, especially for solo travelers. If you're traveling solo, you're going to a whole different country where you don't know anybody, and you're staying in a hotel that you've never been before, you've never stayed in that hotel before. This is very, very important. So get this travel essential. It is very, very important. So how this works is, this goes, I think I need to do a full video on how this door stuff really works. But anyway, this side goes into the door. You know the parts where if you turn the knob of the door, there's something that pops out when you let the door goes. So you put it like this on the door, assuming this is the door. So you open that stuff, put it in there, and then that hole goes in there, and then you fix this stuff. So if you can see it, and I'm gonna make a video of how this travel door stuff works, so you see it guides you how to use it. So you fix this in here, this part goes in here. As you can see, this part goes in here and then clicks. So it's as it is now, it's locked your door already. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a full video on how you can use the door lock. But if you know how to use it, if you've never seen this before, get a travel lock. Very important, especially for solo travelers. This is a very, very important safety item you need. So get this before you travel. Very, very good safety as well. All right, thank you. Another very important travel item you need to have is padlocks. So as you can see, you use padlocks to lock your bag. Very, very important, guys. So make sure you get padlocks. This one are smaller ones, so they're a bit not so... Well, this ones, I trust these ones. They're not difficult. They're not easy to break. They're not easy to break. Excuse that, guys. They're not easy to break. So get a padlock to lock your bags before you travel, so that nobody opens the bag. Padlock, very essential. Link to the padlock is in my bio. Check the description box or head to my Instagram page. Click the link in my bio and get a travel padlock. Essential travel. Another very essential travel item you must travel with is multiple USB ports. So as you can see, this is a multi USB port. It comes with multiple ports. So let's say you go to a hotel with friends or something, and there's only one travel there's only one socket, and everybody wants to charge their phone. So who's going to be a priority? Me, of course. What do you mean? So that's when multiple USB ports comes into play. So this is a multiple USB port. It's got 4. If I've got 4 devices, I can charge them all at once just using one travel USB head charger. And then with this, connecting this to my USB charger head, I can charge 4 devices all at once. And this particular one, it doesn't reduce the wattage. Each of the devices receive the same wattage all at once, and they charge very, very fast. Very fast, very efficient travel USB port. So get a multiple USB travel port. Link to this is in my bio. Head to my Instagram page, Lisa Tony King. Click on the link in my bio. Head to my travel stores, and then you will see a multiple USB port. Or scroll down to the description box in this video, and then you can purchase this, and all the travel essentials you need are on there. So please support me, and then purchase this using my link, and you will get a discount courtesy of me. Thank you. Travel essential item you need before you travel is a safety alarm, especially for solo travelers. Whether you're traveling solo or you're traveling as a group, there are times where you want to go out at night to purchase something. Maybe your friend is not going with you, or your husband is not going with you. So make sure you go out with a safety alarm. You can attach this to your phone, or if you've got a key, maybe the door key to your room as well, you can attach this to your key door, and then if there is any safety issues, or God forbid someone attacks you or someone tries to misbehave, maybe you're going out at night and you're coming back late and you're scared, or someone just pops out on you and tries to threaten you, this is a very important travel item. All you have to do is pull this stuff out. It is very, very, very loud. When I mean loud, like when I tried it, when I bought this, I was trying to test it to see how it works. Guys, I pulled this in my ears for like 2 days. I wasn't hearing really loud, I'm telling you. So I'm not gonna pull this out. No, I'm not pulling this out now. I like my ears. Thank you very much. So when you buy your own, you can test it and give me feedback. Anyway, the link to this safety alarm is in my bio. If you head to Instagram, type Lisa Tony King, click the link in my bio, head to my travel essentials or Lisa stores, and then you see a safety alarm. So feel free to purchase this. Please, it should not come out though. So yeah, maybe if I travel or any other day, I'll get something to close my ears and I'll do a video on how it works. But until when I do it, just manage this video for now. Thank you very much. If you want to reset the alarm, there's a transparent stuff at the back, as you can see here. So when you pull on this stuff, and it's gonna keep beeping until you reset the alarm. So all you need is this key. This is like an access key. All you have to do is slot this in, and then the alarm will stop making noise. Yeah. So if there's any issues, if you're out there, something happens, or someone tries to threaten you or something at night, all you have to do is pull on this string. It comes out easily. Once you pull on it, it starts making noise, loud noise, guys. So you pull on the strap and then it makes a lot of noise. So this is just to alert other people that are nearby to be able to track where you are with the noise, and then tries to assist you or help you. And then the sound as well also scares the person who comes at you as well. So a very, very important travel essential you should have. Get it in my stores, Lisa stores. Click the link in the description box. It's gonna take you to my store, and then you can purchase a personalized safety alarm. Another one as well you can also use is pepper spray. I've ordered a pepper spray from my store, but I haven't received it. And at this time I'm making this video. If I receive it after now, maybe I'll make a separate video about safety for travelers. So if you don't want to use the safety alarm, you can use the pepper spray as well. So you can always make sure you have it with you. If anyone comes at you, you just spray it in their face and your eyes, and then it's very chili hot, like hot African pepper times 20. Get this for my store. Thank you. The essential you should tag along with you is travel wipes. So these are just remnants of travel wipes I got from Asian Airlines. I'm not promoting Asian Airlines at this point in time. Anyway, these are some wipes I got from remnant wipes I got from Asian Airlines when I flew with them to Greece. So get travel wipes. If you sit on the plane, you can just easily wipe your surface to avoid contacting germs, because I mean, I'm very neat, I'm very clean, so you should as well. We don't want germs, we don't want microorganisms, so just quickly wipe your surfaces. Any surface around your plane, around the seat on the plane where you'll be sitting, just quickly wipe to get rid of any germs. Yeah, so if you want a wipe, the travel wipes I have also in my link. Click the link in my bio. Thank you. Important item you should have is a transparent bag. So when you're traveling, you want to have a transparent bag, because if you have any liquids, apart from the travel bottle I showed you guys, if you've got any other thing in your bag, like toothpaste, any tiny liquid, like toothpaste is a bit liquid, this is a hand sanitizer. I always travel with a hand sanitizer. This is my cream I use from Body Shop. Yeah, the Body Shop. Someone was asking me to do a full skin vibe vlog. I don't do those things. I don't do fashion. I'll think about it. Anyway, this is my Body Shop cream that I always travel with. So I put it in there, and I put it in my travel bag as well. All right, so get a transparent bag. to showcase all the stuff that you don't want them to tell you to open your bag for, and it's easy to see. If you don't want to purchase it from my link, when you get to the airport, they give this free as well, so you can just ask any of official at the airport to give you a transparent travel bag, and then you get a transparent travel bag. All right.
Yeah, part two.